Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Akwaibom and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this simple water leaf soup with few ingredients. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so on my list I have my egusi, water leaf. This is washed and chopped, seasoning powder, black pepper, palm oil, achi, so this is my thickener that I'll be using, stockfish, crayfish powder, cow skin, and I have my chicken boiling already. So I'll be adding in my stockfish, it's washed already, and I'll add in my cow skin. You can use any protein of choice, that will be fine. So I'm going to stir everything together nicely to combine. I'll cover it to cook for a few minutes, and after a few minutes, this is what we got. So I added in more water to the quantity of water I want to use for my soup. Okay, next I'll be adding in crayfish powder, black pepper, and egusi. So this egusi, I dissolved it in water. So I'm stirring everything to make sure everything is nicely combined together. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you are coming across my video for the first time, hello, you're welcome. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected. Okay, so I added in palm oil. I'll stir and I'll cook for a few minutes, and after a few minutes we are back to check on the soup base and it's doing amazing. Next I'll be adding in my thickener and I'll be using achi. So all I did is to dissolve it in cold water. This will prevent it from being lumpy. So I'll stir everything together. And this is the thickness I'll be going for. I thought of trying Waterleaf with this thickener and the result was mouth-watering. Okay, so next I'll be adding in my Waterleaf. It's washed, chopped already, and I'll combine everything together. I have actually recipe on the channel and you can check that out. I use different vegetables for that and all of them are coming out good. So you see what I have here now. So I'm going to stir everything quickly. These are just your seasoning, your salt, and the soup is ready. And here is my final look. I'd love you to try it and let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.